The Victorian period here is late 1800s and beginning of 1900s. And also the Victorian period is divided up in different periods as well. But here later on, of course, the Industrial Revolution has started and industry have developed in England, which means that a lot of people moved into towns and the farming life has ended. And well, because of that, of course, there are different things that have happened as well in society. And now it was more about the being realistic, about writing how it is. I mean, political and other things developed from having companies flourish in towns and therefore having unions and therefore having politics and all those things that flourished from that. And more people, of course, could read and write, and therefore books started to be mass-produced. Charles Dickens and some other authors here were from this period and wrote about the poor and the rich and about the segregation in society. Here we can see still that period of some other authors that wrote about how it is and how life is harsh and dark and horrible, but also about very much about the realistic life of how it is to live. And then we have, of course, the modern period, which is after the different wars that happened, or during the wars and in between and after as well. And this is when we also developed a new kind of writing, where people didn't care about the structure and the grammar and the way, but only to write to make sure to get a feeling across. And this is when writing considered to be an art form. And some of the famous authors you can see here.